we're going to be sharing with you a bunch of different types of storage ideas for your kitchen. Some of them are going to be for remodeling a kitchen, some are going to be for retrofitting cabinets that you already have, and then we have portable storage ideas that we have and we love and we wanted to share with you.
Hi, welcome to Emily and Laura. I'm Emily.
And I am Laura.
The first thing we want to talk to you about is some corner storage cabinet ideas. So you just pull out this drawer and you shift it over, and then you pull out this other drawer. So you're actually getting full storage all the way back into the corner here. It is really, really awesome to be able to utilize every inch of space. We're gonna go down to another corner.
Yeah. Now this corner is a little different. It's got a bifold hinged door on it, and it has a Lazy Susan on the inside. So this is, you can use for a very tight corner. Now, both of these two corner inserts that we're showing to you right now are inserts that you would use for remodeling.
Yes, absolutely. This was something that we planned in advance so that we knew we could maximize our storage space. We're in Seattle. It's, kitchens are small. You gotta take as much of it as you can.
That's right. So in this picture, also blind corner pull-out storage, but it is a tall appliance pantry. And these are called peanuts. And you just slide these out and they come inside of your kitchen space. And it's a great way to get vertical storage for anything that you need to store in your kitchen, whether that's just extra dishes or extra appliances, or it could act as a kitchen pantry as well. You can also get kitchen pullouts. They make these pullouts. This is made by Rev-A-Shelf, and they make them for kitchens and for bathrooms. The bathroom is called a grooming pullout, and this is a utensil pullout. And it has all these little stainless steel containers. It has adjustable shelves down here on the bottom. You can adjust these, you have holes here, so that they fit your stuff that you're trying to store inside of your space. This is also something that you would do in a remodel. And this picture is a full height pullout that is next to a refrigerator. You can put this anywhere in your kitchen, and it is great for any types of your olive oils, your bottles, containers that you cook with a lot. It's just a great way to get a lot of vertical storage, and by doing it right next to your refrigerator, it just kind of seamlessly ties in with your refrigerator and your cabinets both. Over here in this corner, we have an appliance pullout. It's really for coffee and tea and like your toaster, but it's a great way to take a cabinet that's in a corner that's not necessarily very easy to get to, and you put electric inside of that. So your coffee pot, your teapot, your toaster, whatever it is that you decide to put in there, stays plugged in all the time. And all you do is just slide out this drawer, which is at countertop height. And then you utilize that. You can keep that open all day, then you just put it right back in and it's out of the way. In a lot of the kitchens that we remodel, we actually do cabinet-style pantries. These are pantries that look like your kitchen cabinets, but when you open them up, have these beautiful pull-out drawers. These are for cabinets that are 24 inches deep, and you pull them out, you can literally see everything that's inside of your pantry at one time, and it's so easy to get everything out. And same goes for all the ones down below.
Yes, this has been really, really great to have. Really maximizes the space I have in this kitchen. The other quick little thing that I like to do is to swap out my big Costco size of flours and sugars and cereals and rices, all those kind of big bulky things, into these OXO storage containers. So there is a nice little pop and it comes off, and then it seals it back down. And like your brown sugars, they can get hard if they get, oxidized at all. Where these will keep it nice and fresh, and it's easy for kids to use. It's just user friendly. It's not going to be those fancy pantries that we see.
No, this is a pantry that most of us have. It looks kind of like this. You go to the grocery store, you take all your groceries out of that, and you put them away in your pantry.
Yes.
Look, I love the beautiful pantries that people post on their social media accounts. where they've put everything in
the
special,
labels.
beautiful containers,
Yes.
all labeled, and that is absolutely gorgeous, but it takes a lot of time and effort to do that.
Yeah.
So here we've shown you that
We're
you
keeping
can
it real.
have a little bit of both,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
You can have these cool little plastic OXO containers, and you can put all kinds of stuff in there, but you also can just put your box in there as well.
And another thing that I noticed at your house that I absolutely love, you've got some Tupperware Lid Storage kind of retrofitted into your cabinet there.
I did, yes. It is something that's available on Amazon, and we will link it down below. And I had a problem with my plastic container lids. There was no way to really organize them very easily. So I got this, and it shows how I can organize my lids, and it's expandable. So we have another couple other items that are very similar, where they're portable items that you can buy on Amazon, and we're gonna show you those now. We always like to keep our countertops free of a bunch of stuff. You commonly see people have knife blocks on their kitchen counters. And one way to omit that is by getting a knife drawer insert. This one right here was bought on Amazon, and you just literally buy it, plop it into your drawer, and put your knives in. Rev-A-Shelf actually makes these same inserts, and they fit the entire drawer. So if you want one that fits almost all of your drawer, if you're doing a remodel, you can definitely custom make sure that it fits the entire drawer. But if you're buying one off of Rev-A-Shelf that's already pre-made, don't measure the outside, but measure the interior of the box.
A couple other great options for interior storage solutions. This one is a tiered tray. So it has 3 tiers, and it allows you to actually see what's in the very back of your cabinet. I love acrylic storage solutions here because you can actually see what's inside without having to pull it down. So we've categorized, one is organic herbal teas, and one has caffeine. So it's easy just to pull whichever one you need right out, and you have your assortment of either one you like. And how much easier is that to put away as well?
I would assume that you could probably retrofit those for like a Keurig pod.
Yes. Yes.
As well.
Yeah.
So you can
There's
put different
so many
kinds of Keurig
great
pods in
ones.
there.
I mean, we'll have the links to these, but feel free to browse Amazon for all their other storage solutions, because the takeaway is acrylic is really nice because you can see through it. And just having something within the shelf, when you have all these little items that you want to keep together, it makes it a lot easier.
Well, we have one must-have that we have to show you, and that is this. So Emily, can you show them the trash pullout?
Oh.
So, in my opinion, every kitchen should have a trash pullout. So this is definitely something that you can do in a remodel or a retrofit.
Yes, these are a must-have.
So thank you for joining us today and learning about all these great storage opportunities that you can have in your kitchen. Please look down below at our links, and we'll have everything down there for you that we've talked about today.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. We're a very
Please.
young channel, and we would love your support.
Yes,
Like
yes.
and subscribe.
Yes, please. And comment.
Yes.
So if you have any comments about our videos, if you have questions, how you can retrofit something, or you just have any question about interior design, we're happy to help.
Yes.
So thank you so much.